Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Alina Khan. Today our topic is about most important English words and its use. The first word is here, wrong. Wrong is generally used for not right, incorrect, not true or bad. The next one is here, store. Store is generally used for place where you can go to buy things. The next word is here, crash. Crash is used for to damage an object by causing it to hit something. The next word is here, location. Location is used for particular position or area. The next one is here, fashion. Fashion is generally used for style of dress or activity popular at some time. The next one is here, constantly. It means that frequently or without pause. The next one is here, civil. Of citizens of a country, not criminal. The next one is here, guard. To keep watch over something to protect it. For example, bank. The next word is here, reverse. To change to an opposite state, way or condition. The next one is here, transition. Change from one state, movement, place or subject to another. The next one is here, experiment. Experiment is generally used for tests performed to assess new ideas or theories. The next one is here, specialist. Specialist is used for a person who works in one specific area of a field or profession. The next word is here, attach. Attach is generally used for to be associated or connected with. The next one is here, leadership. Leadership is used for quality of being able to guide or influence others. The next one is floor. Part of a room on which you stand. The next one is here, height. Height is generally used for distance of something from the bottom to the top. The next one is here, April. 4th month of the year. The next one, county. Administrative region within a country or a state. The next one is here, network. Network is generally used for system of connections. The next one is here, necessary. Needed or required, unavoidable. Next, picture. Picture is used for painting, drawing or photograph on paper or screen. The next one is shoe. Outer covering for the foot made from leather. The next one is here, against. In opposition to, disagreeing with. The next one is here, night. Night is generally used for time when sun does not shine. The next is here, fire. Heat and the flame produced when burning. The next one is here, hour. belonging to us. Next, alcohol. Drinks such as wine, whiskey, and beer. The next one is here, desk. Thin or flat, round object, for example, for storing data. The next one is here, breathe. To move air into and out of your lungs. The next one is here, discount. Make the price of something lower. Thanks for watching.